Shenzhen Dwell Electronics Company Limited, located in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. One of the world's popular manufacturers for access control products. Our main products are RFID readers, access controllers, RFID copiers, door locks and brackets, exit button switches, power supplies, cards, and tags. With the business philosophy of high efficiency, preeminence, innovation, and development, Dwell products are exporting to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Oceania, as well as other regions. Dwell focus on quality, value, delivery in everything we make and do. We have prided ourselves on products quality and customer service. All materials purchased have to go through stringent inspection to ensure that each component used are checked and tested for quality assurance and safety. Each product sold should be strict tested before factory. We have CE, FCC ID, ROHS certifications. We can offer test report as request. We accept trial orders and delivery usually within 7 working days for common products. We can customer define for a given brand and design all kinds of practical products as customers' requests and response to the changing market on time. But we are not just a products company. Whether you are a reseller or end user, we are a potential partner that you should talk to. Contact us today and find out how Dwell can help your organization or business.